Welcome to Muirwood, a place where the trees touch the sky and the air is filled with calm. Just a short drive from San Francisco. Wear comfortable walking shoes. The trails are well maintained and gentle. Perfect for kids and families with flat, easy trails and nature all around. Muir Woods is a wonderful experience for children too. Let them explore, wander, and fall in love with the forest safely and gently. Muir Woods, it's not just a place to visit, it's a place to feel. A quiet forest cathedral where even the tallest trees begin as something small, just like us. Whether you are alone, with friends, or with your little ones, let the redwood reminds you, slow is beautiful. Before you go, helpful tips. Book your parking online before you arrive. It's required and spots fill up fast. Bring a light jacket. Even in summer, the forest stays cool and shaded. Thanks for joining me. I hope this walk brings you the same calm it brought me. Until the next time, breathe deep, walk gently, and stay rooted. And for more soothing travel moments like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And for more soothing travel moments like this, please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment to my channel.